Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are going to discuss how we can install Puppeteer. To install Puppeteer, guys, we need a package.json and we have to install from a node. Puppeteer is nothing but it's a Node JS library which is used to automate web applications. So let us start, guys. Let me run npm init to initialize. So this will create package.json for us in the Puppeteer project folder. So I'll just click on enter for everything. So now package.json is created. Now let me install Puppeteer. To install Puppeteer, npm install -g Puppeteer. So this will install Puppeteer. Along that we'll install parallelly Chromium. It will take its own sweet time. So it is, you can see 169.7 MB Chromium. So it is installing that. It is always dependent on the internet, guys. If you have fast internet, it will download even faster. So now it has updated the package. So let me install npm install mocha and chai. So now you can see clearly dependencies are created. So if I want Puppeteer here itself, I just have to do, instead of putting -d is for global, I can directly install Puppeteer. It will directly install into this dependencies. Dependency will come. So these are the latest versions of chai and mocha are available. Yeah. Now you can see the Puppeteer version is greater than 10. So it is also has been installed. So that's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.